Sleep is like nature's overnight repair service. While everything seems quiet on the outside, the body is surprisingly busy behind the scenes. Muscles recover from the day's activities, the brain sorts through memories, and energy stores are topped up, all without anyone noticing. A good night's deep sleep can make the next day feel brighter and more productive. Waking up refreshed often means better focus, a happier mood, and more patience when dealing with everyday challenges. On the other hand, missing out on deep sleep can leave people feeling tired, forgetful, and lacking motivation, even after spending plenty of hours in bed. Deep sleep also gives the body's natural defenses a chance to recharge. It helps the heart and other important organs get the rest they need to keep working well. It is amazing to think that something as simple as sleeping can play such a big role in staying healthy. The best part is that improving deep sleep does not always require major changes. A regular bedtime, a quiet room, and less screen time before bed can all make a difference. Even small habits can lead to more restful nights. Deep sleep may not be glamorous, but it is one of life's greatest hidden superpowers. Every peaceful night is an investment in better energy, clearer thinking, and a healthier tomorrow.